How to remove reminders in calendar on iPhone. If you want to remove reminders in calendar app on iPhone, it's actually quite simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all make sure to launch the calendar application right here, right? So you just go ahead and search for the calendar app, and then you open the calendar app right here. So once you open the calendar app, here you can see a couple of options. At the bottom you'll find the button that says calendars. You just have to tap on the calendars option, and as you've done that, basically you have to simply uncheck this option that says scheduled reminders. So when you uncheck this option called scheduled reminders, next time after you save the changes, you will not be reminded of anything, and as a result that reminders would have been removed. But if you want to get it back again, tap on the calendars icon, just check this option again and tap the done button to do so. This way you will be able to remove reminders in calendar on iPhone. I hope that this video really helped you. If you have got any further questions, queries or doubts, feel free to also leave them down in the comments below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.